Okay, Lauren, thanks very much. We've just gotten word that Baltimore City Schools, the Baltimore City school system, will also be closed today. In addition to Baltimore County and many other systems will continue to keep strolling along the bottom of your screen. But once again, Baltimore City Schools are going to be closed today. So, as you heard Lauren say, the wind having an impact on the commute already, and not just on back roads. Lauren just said there's a tree down on 695 as well. ABC 2 News' Cassie Carlisle is live for us right now in Northeast Baltimore, where there is also some damage, trees down onto cars. Cassie, someone went to the hospital because of that tree down.
Yeah, that's exactly right. Good morning, Christian. This happened around 2 a.m. this morning. We're at Walther Avenue and Weaver Avenue, and you can see that white car is just completely crushed under this tree, falling down, sending one man to the hospital. There's another car behind that is also squished and looks like it had the airbags go off. Now, I've been talking with neighbors this morning, and they're saying they're not surprised that this tree has come down, saying that it's been coming down in pieces over the last couple years, and we have had that warning, knowing that the wind was going to be bad this morning, and here is, the product of that. Here's the result this morning. Please be careful as you're walking outside this morning. They're saying if you don't have to, don't go outside, don't go drive in this, because this is what we're worried about happening to someone else, Christian.